Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up. Hello, my friends. This is what I have from Boxy Charm. And I have a lot to talk about today. I have a whole bunch of things in here. And I wanted to try some of them. This is a new product. It's a brow gloss from Pacifica, cruelty free. I love that a lot of these products are cruelty free. So this is Stunning Brows Gloss and Set. So it's just to set the brows. It has instantly set and thick in appearance, protects and nourishes, long-lasting stay put finish. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna use this. I wanted to show my new Kathleen lights. I have these. Of course I did my nails with it, but you see how cute they are? I really love this one, and this is great for now, like in the spring. I really like these a lot. So I'm gonna keep them right here on my vanity. From the Boxy Charm, I do have the Sculptor. I'm gonna try to use the Sculptor to sculpt my face. I want to do a glowy look for the spring, and I'm going to try to incorporate the brushes that it came with. It's all for like eyeliner and brows basically. So we have the sculpting, the brushes, the eyeliner. This one I don't have in my collection, so I'm really glad that I got this one because I don't have one that's really small like this for eyeliner. This one is weird because it's thick. It's a thick liner brush, so it's kind of like not thin enough to get like really fine lines in the brows. It's like the size of my brow, so I don't think that's gonna work for me, but I can smudge out the lower lash line with it. And then I really did need a spoolie, a standalone spoolie. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz broke on me, so I need this. So I'm gonna use this. This brush is kind of like for loose powder. That's what I feel like using it for. This Pretty Vulgar thing looks amazing. I feel like I need a quill brush to use it. I kind of want to buy one because they do sell those, and I can just, you know, glide it on. I can't wait to try this, and it's really heavy and beautiful. It says the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. And then so we have the matte lip gloss. I tried it and I really liked it, but it's really sticky on the lips, and I don't like that. It stays put and it's really nice and matte, but it's just sticky, and I don't like how dry my lips feel when I put it on. So alright, so these are the brushes I'm going to use. The Sculptor. This is the blurring primer from Cover FX that I'm going to use right now. It's like a nude color. I wasn't expecting that. And it's like kind of putty so it feels like a blurring. Look at that. It actually blurred my pores there. Yeah, it did. Okay, I like that a lot. But the thing is, I don't feel like I should put this everywhere on my face, just in the parts where I have pores. So I have dry spots around my nose. This is my Farsali oil, and I'm gonna just put that on my fingertips and put that around my nose to give it a little bit of oil there. Now I have the Cover FX Anti-Aging Primer Base, and I'm gonna use that for the rest of my face because it does feel dry, and my lips feel really dry. I received this in one of my subscription boxes, maybe Boxy Charm, and I haven't used it much. I've used it twice. Moisturizing lip buffer, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to use that for my lips because they feel really dry. It's a sugar scrub, and it's lemony. Moisturizing lip buffer, exfoliate, hydrate. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna let that sit on my lips while I do the rest of my face because I really needed that. Okay, so I have this nude stick, and this one is Nudes All Over Face Color, Bronze and Highlight, face, lip, and eye. This is Hey Honey. Where's the color that it has? It's pretty. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty foundation with a damp beauty sponge. AESTHETICA P12. This is going to be for my loose powder all over the face. I'm using the Pure Sculpting, this is cruelty free, Pure Sculptor. Use this one. Really, really dark and a little medium. I guess this one is my shade because the other one is way too dark. This dark one, I'm going to browse and see what it looks like. I'm going to use this one. Trouble. I'm going to use my nude stick. Oh, it comes with a brush. Let me check it out with this brush first. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Let's see, I'm going to use a little bit of this. Absolutely love it. It's awesome. I love it a lot. Okay, next, I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to use the new Pretty Vulgar liner for this. Epic Mascara. So freaking gorgeous. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, next, so I'm gonna try this one. This is Urban Decay Vice, and this is the color Gubby. Don't like it. This is Lancome, and this is the shade 219. the Boxy Mud Slide. I like it. This is the Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Color SPO. Okay, I like this better. Okay, so these two, yes. These two, yes. Alright, and then the gel. This is the Pacifica Stunning Brow Gel. I'm gonna set my, this is the first time I use a gel. I never use a gel. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.